Okay, so let's go into alteration. We'll start with the waist. We'll be altering first with the waist. So we go to our waist. The first thing we are going to do is to do our back tightening to avoid our zipper being bulging out. So we'll take 2 cm is okay for back tightening. So you are going to connect with a straight ruler this way to your point O or to your across chest, across back line, whichever way you want it. But the aim here is to do back tightening this way. You can see, to make sure our zip is sitting well. Once you have done that, you will go in. Like I said, make sure that your across back and across chest measurements are correct. So the next you'll be doing is to go in on your waistline with quarter of your across back. The across back we are working with is 38. 38 divided by 4 will give us 9.5. That is where our dart is sitting. So you come in from there, your back tightening with 9.5. When you get it, you move upward towards your bust area, towards your bust line by 12 cm standard. Our dart is not supposed to get to our bust line. Then you move downward towards your hip 15 cm. Our dart is not supposed to get to our hip line too. So you connect this way. Oh, sorry, see this side, sorry, this one is wrong. So now you will move to your front again on your waistline. You go in with quarter of your across chest. Remember, the across chest is 40, divided by 4 will give us 10. So we move in on our waistline with that 10 cm. When we take the 10 cm, then we will not be going up with 12 cm, because you can look at that. We are supposed to have at least a distance of 5 to 6 cm gap on from our point X to our bust line. So rather you come down from your point X line, either 6 or 5, whichever one you want. I'll be using 5. You can do 5, you can do 6. Then on your hip, on your waistline again, you come down with the same 15 cm you did for the back. The downside the same, but for the front, because of our bust, our dart is not supposed to get to our point X. So yeah, I hope you can see it. So the next will be to take our waist measurements. Again, let's do the calculation. Now you will do waist divided by 2 plus 2. The waist we are working with, while we are adding 2, we are supposed to have 4 cm is on our waist after making. So our waist is 85 divided by 2 will give us 42.5 plus 2 will give us 44.5, which means we are supposed to have 44.5 on this boat pattern. So now we are going to measure, take the measurement of what we have on the boat pattern to see if we have exactly that or we have more than that. Now from our back tightening to our side back, we have 24 for our back, 24 for back. Let's check what we have for the front. We have 28 for front. So 28 plus 24, let's see what it will give us. 28 plus 24 is giving us 52, which means we'll have 52 instead of 44.2.5, sorry, instead of 44.5 we are having 52. Now we are going to do 52 minus 44.5. we have 7.5. Now this 7.5 we are going to be dividing it by 6. Why 6? 1, we are going to be putting that there. 2, we are going to be putting here 3, we are going to be putting here 4, we are going to be putting a 5, we are going to be putting a 6. So this 7.5 divided by 6 will give us 1.25, which means our darts, the excess we have on these bodies, we take it out, we will be taking 1.25. So I'll be taking it, you will see. From this side, we come in 1.25. Again, here you go. 1.25. Come to the side. 1.25 again. Come to the back. 1.25. Come to this side again. 1.25. Come to this side, you take the same 1.25. So now we'll be connecting this way. Watch me very close. I'm not connecting this one. I'm not connecting this one too. We'll connect it now. We'll see when we connect it. I hope you can see it. So now on this hip side that I did not connect, you move upward from your hip line. You move upward by 5 cm. On both sides, do 5 cm on both sides. Then you will now use your hip curve, any curve. You can use any curve to now curve this side. You can see it very well. This one, before saturation, the waist. You've altered the waist now. Now this waist is afterwards like the bust and the hip. I hope you can see it very well. See it very well. I hope it's looking like what you know. Natalie Gray student. I hope it's looking like it. So next we are going to be doing is to alter, to do our contour. When we do our contour, then we will do our under bust shaping. If you look at that blouse, you can see it's off shoulder. Though they replaced it with stripe, it's not looking as if it's normal high neck, but it's off shoulder. So I'm going to be contour. For off shoulder, we will be contouring with 100% or above, 100% or more than 100%. So I will be contouring with 100%. So that is 8 cm, which means when I contour with 100%, I will repeat. I will contour with that 8 cm. I hope you can see it very well. This is it. Contour with, this is my contour. 100%. I did 100% contour. I contour with exactly at that. I contour with exactly at that. I hope you can see it. So the next now will be to do under bust shaping before we now do a style line. The under shoulder to under bust. Shoulder to under bust we are working with is 33 cm. And shoulder to under bust is 33 cm. We start from this top line, which also serves as our shoulder. 33 cm. I hope you can see it on mark. Take it again and mark. Then I will connect. This is our under bust line. Now I will take the measurement, the original under bust measurement. I want to see what we have. Around under bust is 80 cm. 80 divided by 4, since we are working to total, will give me 20. Now I want to see the measurement I have on that bust. I have 27.5. 20 instead of 20, I have 27.5, which means 20 minus 27.5 will give me 7.5. I have the size of 7.5, but I won't be taking out everything. Now on this is my center front, this is my MCF. On this my middle center front, I will be taking 2 cm. I will be contouring with 2 cm. Then mid side front, I will be taking 4 cm. I don't want to exhaust everything. I want to leave ease. I will be taking 4 cm, which means 2 plus 4 will give me 6 cm. I am left with 1.5. I want the ease of 1.5 to be there. I hope you understand. I didn't take out everything because if you look at it, it's not really contouring. If you look at that blouse, it's not really contouring. So you bring it down to your waist. Bring it down to your waist this way. And take it to your point X. Usually you're supposed to take it to this level because it's not upward, it's not that longer. Shoulder to under bust is small, so you take it to this point. I hope it's looking like, let me raise it up. I hope it's looking like what you know, even as you are not yet free. I hope this thing, this place is looking like what you know. So now let me do my style line before I give it a nice curve. It's mid shoulder. If you look at it, it's mid shoulder. So to get my mid shoulder, I need to close. I will need to close this temporarily to get my mid shoulder. See the way I'm closing. Hold it and you fold in to your contour. You fold it in to your contour this way. Fold it into your contour and reblend your shoulder slope so that you can get the accurate measurements. Fold it in this way. Now we take, to get my mid shoulder, I need to take the measurement of what I have here. I have 9 cm, which means 4.5 is the middle. So I have 9 cm. The middle of it is 4.5. So I will take the 4.5 down to my point X. This is my mid shoulder. Mid shoulder. Now that I have my mid shoulder, I can either blend with my free hand or I use curve to give my bust a very nice shape. I hope you can see it, and also to give this one a very nice shape. Let me raise it up so that you can see. Can you see very well? Can you see what it's looking like? The next will be to off it, to off the shoulder. Let me repeat. Let me finish offing it before I move back to the front. So I will be offing it with 3.5. I will be offing the shoulder with 3.5. 3.5. I will still return it with stripe. I will return whatever I took out. 3.5. I will return it back. Then for the neck depth, she wants 8 cm. That is the neck tolerance. She wants 8 cm. This is my 8 cm. So again, I will close it so that I can connect from that my shoulder to my, sit it this way. Hope you can see it. From the offing to that center front, and we give it a nice shape. I hope you can see it. You need to close it to do this. And this this will be my stripe. I will return it. This will be my stripe. This will be my stripe. I hope you can see it. Let me open it so that you can see it. I use this one. I don't have the down one. So then for the back, let's go down with the rotation. For the back now, we upped the front with 3.5. We are going to repeat the same for the front. The back one is falling on this across back, but I want to dip. Let me take the neck depth for this one. I want it to be 19 cm. So I'll take my curve and I want it to be this shape. Though I'm not seeing the back, but this is the shape I want it to be. This way. I hope you can see it very well. And don't forget, since I say this becomes my stripe, I must have exactly that. I must have exactly that for my back so that it will be equal. I need to take the measurement of. I will take a look so that I return it to this. Then I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it. Hope it's looking like it. Let me take the measurement of what I have on this stripe. I want to use it. Okay, the width of the stripe is, it has to be equal 9 cm. 9 cm. Remember, I will make sure that I have 9 cm there for my stripe. This way. This is my stripe. Stripe. For the back. This is front. I hope it's looking like what you know. I hope this makes sense to you. Like I said, don't forget you are watching pattern drafting with Lena. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor and subscribe, please. There's no gain watching without subscribing or even giving this video a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. First, I forget the blouse length. You need to take the blouse length. The blouse length is 60 cm. Sorry, I will start from the shoulder to take it. 60 cm. It usually falls on this 5 cm. This 5 cm. So I'll work with this 5 cm. Remember, we went up from our hip with 5 cm. Our hip line with 5 cm. So this is our blouse length. BL. I will also extend this down this way. Please don't forget you are watching pattern drafting with Lena. Help me to give this video a very good thumbs up and also to like it. Please share with your friends. Please, God bless you. Please, thank you.